Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss when and if and how I'm scaling an advanced plus campaign just by using the same creatives. For all of you that you have been for a long period of time to the channel, you know that I don't like to use the same creatives. I like to use different angles of creatives when we're talking about advanced plus campaigns or CBO campaigns and working with multiple campaigns and average results, blah 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 blah. So there are some cases though that I'm using exactly the same creatives and I'm just duplicating an advanced plus campaign, and this is one of the cases that I would like to show you today in a live case study. Basically, the scenario goes like this. You go and you do create one advanced plus campaign, you see that your dominant ad, which is taking all of the budget, is actually taking 90 or 95% of the budget and is doing really well. This doesn't mean that the other 9 or how many ads are bad. So you duplicate the campaign. I have done another video also with that, but this is another case study which actually worked really well. And even if the others are not so strong, they still have juice and they can actually give you sales. I have explained a lot of times that advanced plus campaigns are having really dominant ads and sometimes they're taking 50-60% of the budget, but there are cases like this one which took 90% of the budget and the others were not spending. One indication that I had to duplicate this campaign all over again is that even with a very small spend, the other ad sets were actually getting sales. So I was understanding that even with small spends was getting sales, so I had to give them a chance. The other thing is that I was having my budget, let's say of 300, 400 in this advanced plus. The budget went all to the leading ad, having very good results or the results that I want and consider good for the ad account. And then by duplicating and removing this one ad that was the leading ad, I wasn't overlapping or using the same creative. I was just using other creatives over there, and basically I was able to scale by just doing double the budget. If you don't know this and if you neglect to understand how advanced plus campaigns are working with dominant ads, most probably you would have lost the opportunity of scaling a little bit more with your other creatives that haven't been tested properly because they never took budget. So let's go into my PC. Let me show you how this went, and we can actually take it from there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So guys, let's go and let's see this. I will have to hide names and all of that. You have to trust me that this is the case. So this is the one campaign that it started here on the 28th of June. And here we have the other campaign that started on the 4th of July after seeing that I'm having very good results with my leading ad over here. I want to show you what happened over here. These are both advanced plus campaigns. This is my leading ad here, taking all of the budget. Of course, in the first days it was, when did we say that it started? Started on the 28th of June. So if we see over here on this period, oh, this is 2021, let's see, start of June, 28 to here. Okay, so here, this is what I was observing initially, okay? You can see it's very dominant, it's taking all of the budget with very good ROAS, okay? And then I'm seeing all of these other ads having sales here and there just with a small spend. So this has spent 145 in all of these days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, in 7 days, okay? So if we do 145 divided by 7, it was just spending 20 per day. Do you see how dominant it is in a $500 campaign? It was just taking all of the budget and the others were taking 20, 10, whatever that may be. So here though, you have a very clear indication that, okay, I cannot force them to spend. This is having amazing good results. What if I remove this one? I duplicate it, I remove it, and I run in a new campaign all the others, because I'm seeing that I'm having a spark over here, okay? I'm having results, I'm having sales and all of that, even when they have very small spends. And if we go again, over here we can see that this one actually started dropping a little bit, of course, because you will have some competition, it makes sense. 2.61 in maximum period, and this one in maximum period 1.9. Am I happy? It's good for average results. It's giving me the average results that I want. In the last 7 days, they are doing a little bit worse, but still, it's within the game. I will fix it, I think, eventually. 2.12 over here, very good for this ad account and what we want to achieve, and the amount of money that we do spend. The whole point over here is that in this campaign, we actually had also some winners that they were actually spending. I'm not really happy with my second leading ad. That explains, of course, I removed, this is the leading ad, okay? I closed it. I tried also to optimize over here, of course, as you can understand, because the fact that I duplicate it doesn't mean that I'm not going to try to actually optimize it. The thing that I want to say here is this: 4.2K extra spent with a decent ROAS, while I was going to have only 9.4K spent. I just managed to spend another 4.2K. Now imagine this happening 2, 3, 4 times per month. You're able to scale more and more just because you're not neglecting the fact that some of the other ads haven't been tested properly. Now, I'm using this when I'm having clear indication that a lot of other ads are taking spend and good ROAS, and I'm not just using it with any single Advanced Plus campaign that I'm going to do just because I have the hope or just because I want to test all of the ads efficiently. That's another case study of how I'm scaling ad accounts, one of the many ways. I think it's just common sense. If it's taking all of the budget and the others are getting sales, what if we remove it from the equation because it's a very strong ad, and see if the others are also decent? They don't have to be really strong, but they could be decent and give us another extra spend with some decent ROAS. Not perfect ROAS, but some decent ROAS. I hope, guys, that this is going to help you, and I will see you for the closing of the video. Just to conclude, if you have a campaign which is an Advanced Plus shopping campaign and you're having inside several ads and one of them is taking all of the budget, it doesn't mean that the other ads cannot give you sales. If you see especially sales coming with small spends, maybe that means that you should try running them separately in another campaign without this big leading ad which is taking all of the budget. I hope that this is going to help you. I hope that you're going to scale a little bit more from this tip. Sometimes it's common sense, but sometimes somebody has to show you so that you can say, aha, it makes sense. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, and of course my mentorship programs. And below my mentorship programs, you're going to find all the testimonials from the people who have completed my mentorship programs. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.